In this video, I will show you how you can connect and use your iPad 11 A16 with a USB hub. As you can see over here, I have a USB Type-C to a USB hub over here because the iPad 11 A16 has a USB Type-C port. Now on our USB hub, we have two USB Type-C ports. We have an HDMI port, two USB-A ports, a micro SD slot, a full SD card slot, and also we have an Ethernet port. Now the ports can be more or less on your USB hub. It depends on the USB hub you buy. It can have more or less ports. Now to connect this USB hub to our iPad, just grab the USB Type-C end and plug it directly to the charging port. And after you do that, then it will show this notification on the screen. Just select allow. And after you've done that, now you will be able to connect any external device with your iPad using this hub. For example, if you want to transfer your data from your SD card to your iPad, just connect your SD card to the USB hub, like that. And after that, just open the Files app on your iPad. Now over here under Locations, you will find your SD card mentioned over here. Now just tap on your SD card and open the folder from which you want to copy your data. For an example, I'll select these files. I just tap on Select and select the photos and videos which you want to copy. I'll select all of them. Now you can either copy the photos from your SD card or your USB, and you can paste them to your iPad. Or if you want to share the data from your SD card to your contacts, you can also do that from here. Now for this video, I'll just copy the data from my SD card and I'll paste it in my iPad. So just tap on the three dots over here and select Copy Items. And after you copy the data, then in the Files app, just select where you want to paste the data. For an example, on my iPad, I will create a folder over here and I'll name it SD Card Photos. I just open this folder. I just tap and hold on the empty space and select Paste. And as you can see, we have successfully copied our data from our connected device, which is our SD card, to our iPad. Now, not only you can connect an external device with your iPad to copy data, but you can also connect a peripheral device to use it with your iPad. For an example, if you have a wired mouse or a keyboard which you want to use it with your iPad, just grab the USB end of your mouse and connect it to the USB hub over here. And after you do that, now you will be able to use your mouse with your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.